So unfortunately, this is a long and slow process, and although it kind of sits there, it's clearly not on there yet. And just so you know, I went to go use a grinder first, and a flap disc. Didn't like how either of those went, so I went to go use a flat grinder, just holding it to it. Didn't bite enough, so I got some 60 grit sandpaper I'm kind of using. And I put a bunch of tape on it just to make sure it'd hold better. And honestly, doesn't seem like it would have fell apart anyhow. But slowly shaving that down and polishing it at the same time. Just looking good.